Recording the sewer line here at 3228 62nd Avenue Southwest. The date is July 2nd, 2020. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City main flowing by. Somebody's done a plastic repair down at the main tap. At some point, likely the city. From here, we're going to pull back. I'm going to zero out the footage so we can get an idea of the footage and come back from this point. Take a look at the line. So we're in 6-inch plastic pipe right now. That's SDR 35 plastic. And at this point right here, about 6 feet back from the main, it goes into concrete, the old original concrete to the house. So this is a shared line between 3228 and 3224. And I will make note of where the adjacent house ties in here when I get to that point. So right there is where the two homes are tying together. So there is about 25 feet, 26 feet of shared line. We're now coming into the line solely responsible with 3228. So I'm going to zero out the footage again at this point and come back. So this is the sole responsibility of 3228. We're still in 6-inch concrete, 6-inch diameter, I should say. And this is our 4x6 transition. So 6-inch pipe, 4-inch diameter pipe. So we got about 10 feet of 6-inch pipe before we go back into old 4. I'm going to zero out the footage again. 4-inch diameter pipe now. As I was coming down this pipe, there was quite a bit of sewage getting caught up because of how aggregate this bottom of this line is. So there's some sewage on the left side of the pipe. You see some toilet paper caught. Again, some sewage kind of just sitting in this line because that line is so rough and old. It's holding it up. So toilet paper dangling from a root ball there. Another large root right there, top of the screen. So root ball there as well. Back into old clay pipe. So this is the old existing clay line. A little bit of a lip there holding up some sewage in the clay line. And back up the clean out. So we're coming up the clean out now. And that's the clean out we recorded this from. So I'm going to get a couple locates and I'm going to finish the video here, but do a little locate work.